Hey guys, welcome to Aficionado. Today we're going to be unboxing the RacingLine Turbo Muffler Deletes. This will increase the sound on our project car, which is a Mark 7.5 Golf R. I purchased this Golf R in 2019. I've had it for about 6 years, and believe it or not, it's completely stock. I have not done a single thing to it. So the Turbo Muffler Delete will be the first thing that I'm doing to this Golf R. Now, I wasn't really sure about this product, but I was on their website and they kind of drew me in. So now they claim this increases horse and torque power. I don't really believe them, but I do believe that it increases noise. And for this season, we're all about going fast. Definitely well packaged. All right, what comes in the box? Packaging, throw that out, box. So the main purpose of this part is so that your turbo outlet actually can breathe freer. So obviously, once your turbo is spooling, it has to exhaust that gas in various ways. It could be your downpipe, or it could be your turbo muffler outlet. And honestly, this piece is sick. You can feel the weight. It's made from one-piece aluminum, CNC machine, anodized gloss black, has a laser etched logo. This thing really looks really crisp, really clean. You can feel the quality. You have your rubber seal here. Can't wait to install it. You guys will see in the next video whether this actually increases the sound, which I believe it will, but I'm dubious about whether it actually increases horsepower and torque. Stay tuned for the next one.